Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will study about TOGG command in WinProladder software in Fatek PLC. Let's start. First of all, I open my WinProladder software, and as per previous lecture I discussed with you that command move command. Now we use TOGG command means data toggle in WinProladder software. So I choose my that one toggle command, and here he says also if you hold for little bit time he will says which bits you can use from Y0 to 255 you can choose, and start from M0 to M1911 also, and also from start from S0 to 999. I will choose my Y0 for this program. Basically, this command is why used in Fatek PLC. This command have a function look like when you giving the one signal to any in the program, it will be energized, and as you giving the second signal, it will be stop the execution. Means for example you can think about in the field somewhere have your countings are running or any sensor will be high or low, then your command will be your motor or anything can be possible in the program, depends on your logic. So see, first of all we will take one bit here also to execute this Y0. I take this my signal, for example M0, I will take internal memory bit. Also you can use that one X0. If you have a hardware wiring you can make it here X0 also, and you can make it a link with the in this ladder, and that small bit I will download to the PLC, and after we see the behave how it's running. See, now this Y0 is off. As I give the signal it will be turned on. See, now Y0 is turned on, but if I stop this one, that will be never stop because of it's running with the function of toggle, look like a toggle. As you give the second signal, that will be stopped. Simply as you giving the signal it will be turned on, and as you give the signal again it will be turned off. And that X0 also, if you have a hardware you can use that hardware, that I make it again off. See, it's not off. As I give another signal it will be stop. So as you give that signal X0, but if your physical PLC is attached with your program, it will be not running from here with the mouse cursor. You have to be stop first PLC, and you can go to the simulation offline, and again you go to the simulation, and again you run PLC. After you can use that X0, make it stop, and see, as I give the signal it will be turned on, and as I remove the signal but it will be not stop, and as you give again signal it will be turned on off. See, as I give the signal make it on, it's on, and when you again make it off signal it will be not stopped, it will be never, and again you give the signal after this will be off. Look like it toggle switch yani. Anywhere you can see in the hardware, maybe in when you are working for programs, you using that buttons they have available in market for toggle. Too many people give the name that toggle switch. Toggle switch is very yani, simply direct when you give the signal, it will be turned on, and as you remove the signal, it will be stopped. But in PLC language, it will be not. This is little different yani. And as you need some other bits also, if you like to be run, one will be stop and one will be off. This function is running look like first you have to be stop the PLC, after you have to be modify the program. Don't make it the program inside when it's running, because it is dangerous to work. For example, I take it one more look like bit toggle, and I will make my one y one I will take for on, and that's I make the simulation, run PLC, and see now y0 is off and y1 is on. Because of this the function one bit it will be on and one will be off. As I give the signal, see y0 is on and y1 is off. As you give the again signal, it will be nothing happen, and when you give the again signal, y0 will be off and y1 will be on. And this is the very simple way to use in the program this command. How many bits you like to use, one will be get it turned on and turned it off. See, and when you like to using in the program, this is the very interesting command you working for in cutting edge technology, where is some bottles are filling, or for example any conveyors running upside some things, and there is some sensors feedback coming to your PLC. Then you can define this command, and it's I think so very benefit you can take from this command. And look like is a set reset also, you can say this runs with the set reset. And this is one signal. Also you can, if you like to giving this one M0, if you like to giving one rising edge also it will be work. See, when I give the signal, make it on, it will be on, and again I will give the signal, it will be never happen. First I have to make it off, and again when I give the signal, means one rising edge after this command will be work. And when you're using in your own program, own logic, it's depend on your logic, how you create the logic for which type of machine and or which type of program, that's you have to be designed. Major important thing is you have to be understand about this toggle function. This is the what is the function. So I hope you understand about this function, this toggle bit, how we can use in the program. If you not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.